Morning, everyone. It's 8:45, and this is your pre-opening comment, and it is video number 394. And I want to remind everyone to please hit the subscribe bar and like us if you appreciate the work. Okay, so there's still big news out, and we'll start with the Monday change to the Dow. And as I mentioned in last night's closing comment, we have three outgoing stocks. I don't recall ever seeing three done all at once, but Exxon will be gone for the first time since 1928 and will be replaced by Salesforce CRM. Pfizer disappears, been there for a long time, and gets replaced with AMGN, AMGN. And the one that bothers me personally, because I like the company and I trade the stock, is Raytheon Technologies, which is the old Raytheon and the old United Technologies, goes out. And Honeywell comes in. Honeywell, in fact, was bounced from the Dow 12 years ago. So it's a return. My question is, why do they call it the Dow Jones Industrial Average? It's almost 30% tech. So they should probably leave the Dow Jones Utilities the way it is, the Dow Jones Transports the way it is, and drop Industrial Average from the name of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Okay, there's a little bit more information available now. Evidently, the emergency plasma treatment was based on a Mayo Clinic study of using it that in fact has helped about 35%, extended life of 35% of the people that it was tried on. So at least now we know what the reason was. Tiffany's and LVMH have delayed the closing of the Tiffany deal. The stock is down about $5 at 120. I think the exact number was 126 and change. So it's down $5 on that news. Have no idea what the news is about. Best Buy had earnings this morning. They beat top and bottom, but they lowered guidance on sales for the coming quarter. The stock is down about 3.5 or 4 at 112.50. And a spinoff done just the day before yesterday, AOUT, which is American Outdoor. It's the camping side of the company that was Smith & Wesson. So now Smith & Wesson is the gun company, and American Outdoor is the camping. And it traded from 16 to 30 on its second day out, closing at 23.10, up 390, and this morning is trading around 1940, which is down about 370. And UONE, which is Urban One, which is a either a black-owned or black-focused media company that traded from a low of $1.95 to a high of 54 in basically 4 days. Has traded all the way back down over the last couple of months to 415, and this morning traded as high as 1195, and the last is 742, which is up $3.27. And Sigma Labs, a company that I have discussed, we own it in our $100,000 portfolio. They are the maker of quality control software for 3D printing for things that are very high tolerance. They received a contract from Mitsubishi Heavy Equipment, and that stock, which closed a little over $2, is currently trading at $7.20, and that's up well over 100%. The chart on the screen is lumber because I wanted everyone to see this. It is the epitome of what a parabolic move is, and it looks like it blew off yesterday. The price has gone from the middle of June at roughly 375 on the close here to a high yesterday of $859.90, and it touched that price and went from limit up to limit down, closed just off the low at 810 after trading at 801.90. So pretty interesting. It's, one of the big cost components in housing. There have been no lumberjacks out because of COVID. There have been massive shortages at Lowe's, Home Depot. There just has not been any lumber around. And it looks like we have reversed it a bit. Let's go to the ones that we have a real interest in. The oil is up 30 cents. The nat gas is up just under a cent. The gold, which had a reversal yesterday after breaking out above these two highs at 1963.10, traded all the way up to 1970.30 and then closed down on the day. As I've mentioned in the last couple of days, I drew this trend line over the weekend, and it wouldn't surprise me to see it hit. If it hit today, it would be right around that 1915 area. I think that this area around 1900 to 1915 holds the decline and starts us back up. The dollar actually has had another couple of constructive days. It's down a little this morning, down about 9 cents, 9.4 cents, but it looks like it's building here. I thought it looked like it might bottom here and try the 94.95 area. It got to 94, made another little bottom, tried it again, made a new low, and now it looks like it's really trying, and it looks like the 5-day is about to cross the 20-day to the upside. Again, first resistance at 94, possible rally up to as high as 95.5, 96, right in this area. Okay, futures are up. The 10-year yield is up. The Dow implied open is up about 140. I've seen it up as much as about 170. The S&P is up 12 or 13 more. That's also new high territory. And the NASDAQ is the laggard today, and it's up only 2 or 3. So not much action there. All right, everyone. Have a good day. I'll be back later. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Careful out there.